Hello and welcome everybody. CVNA stock is going to be on 26th September, November. So I think this is going to be one of the stocks that can be popular nowadays, according to what we want to see on CVNA. This is going to be referring back what would be actually here, and the increase in momentum would be the, I think that is going to be different. So the thing that is going to be, especially on another side, will be on CVNA, is going to be on this level. And this is a special case for CVNA to see whether this is going to be a divergence to make a trick for the increase or for the continuous decrease or not. But I think this is not going for a decrease because this is the value that has been limited by this one Fibonacci level. So this is going to be a 0 Fibonacci level on CVNA or Carvana, and this is going to be such good thing that happened in cryptocurrency or in the stock movements. And that's what can I say as a trader in this video about the price prediction explanation, and good luck.